Hi, I'm Jules. I'm the developer of Conditional Fields for Contact Form 7, and in this video I'll show you how to install the plugin and create a simple dynamic contact form using some conditional logic. So the first thing we're going to do is go to plugins and install the Contact Form 7 plugin. And next we're going to install the Conditional Fields plugin. When both plugins are activated, we can go to the contact menu and we're going to create a new form. In this form we just created, we're going to add a radio button with three options: general inquiry, technical support, and billing. So we create a radio button with these three options, and then for each of the options we're going to create a group. Now this is something specific to the Conditional Fields plugin. So you can wrap things between group tags, which later can be shown and hidden depending on the conditional rules we're going to define in a minute. So when the user chooses general inquiry, we will show this group where we show a text area with a question. If the user chooses technical support, then we're going to show a text field where we ask the product name and a text area where we ask the issue description. If the user chooses billing, we're going to show a field asking for the invoice number and a text area for the billing concern. Now, if we move to the Conditional Fields tab, we can add a new conditional rule, and we can say show general inquiry if the service field equals, and I'm going to copy paste it because it needs to be the exact text. We show general inquiry if service equals general inquiry. Then we'll add two more rules, one for technical support, one for billing. So technical support will show if service is equal to technical support, and billing will show if it equals billing. Okay, with all of this in place, we can create a page to actually show our form. So I'll add a new page, I'll call it support, and then we'll add a Contact Form 7 form, and then we can publish this page. Now this is our form. When we click general inquiry, a field will appear to ask a question. If you click technical support, we'll ask a product name and an issue description. And if you click billing, we'll ask for invoice number and billing concern. Now we can also set up the email. For this we go back to the contact form. We click the mail tab, and then we can paste in some code. So as you can see here, we're going to output the selected service. And then depending on which group was visible during form submission, we can show messages depending on which group was visible. So we use actually the name of the group. So we open it and then we close it like this. We do the same for technical support, and we do the same for billing. And now if I submit the form, we'll actually get an email. So service general inquiry and general inquiry question equals test. If we pick another option, for example billing, we'll leave the invoice number blank, test 1, 2, 3, submit this one. Now the email we get is service billing concern test 1, 2, 3.